When eating bananas, most people ignore the crust, and its fate is the garbage bin. However, this procedure should be reconsidered, after it has been shown that banana peels have uses for hair, skin and other care. Banana peel is rich in antioxidants. A review in 2018 showed that banana peels are rich in phenols, which have strong antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Banana peel contains different types of phenols, and the levels of these compounds are affected by various factors such as variety, degree of ripeness and cultivation conditions. Because of its antioxidant and antimicrobial benefits, phenols can be recovered from the banana peel for use in the pharmaceutical and food industries. This is confirmation of what was published in a 2011 study, which concluded that banana peels contain a number of biologically active compounds, such as carotenoids and polyphenols. Because of its positive contribution to human health, these substances acquire their importance due to their antioxidant activity and their protective effect against oxidative hemolysis of red blood cells. The experiment also concluded that immature banana peel samples were of higher antioxidant effectiveness than ripe banana peels. A 2012 study found that banana peels have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is usually a localized preventive response to shock or bacterial invasion, which destroys the affected tissue. Free radicals also participate in many physiological and pathological processes such as infections. Banana peels with their phenol content prevent oxidation, which supports the use of banana peels to treat inflammatory-related diseases. Banana peels for healthy hair. Proponents of natural health and cosmetic products suggest using banana peel as an ingredient in a hair mask by mixing it with honey, oil or milk on a blender, as it makes your hair soft and shiny. One way to support this claim is by paying attention to the antioxidants in the banana peel. It indicates that these antioxidants neutralize free radicals, to maintain strong and healthy hair. Benefits on the skin and some recommendations appear to eat banana peel either by boiling it in water to make tea, or using it as one of the ingredients in the sauce, or mixing it with fruit juice, or in any way you can prefer. Banana peels increase the total fiber in the food by at least 10%, and these peels are rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, and proportions of magnesium and potassium. Thanks to these elements, banana peel improves sleep, helps in weight loss, and improves skin health. The bright yellow banana peel contains a high content of antioxidants, while the green peels of less ripe bananas are particularly rich in tryptophan amino acids linked to good sleep quality. Green banana peels are also rich in resistant starch, a special type of fiber known for its intestinal health. Teeth whitening. Proponents of Natura. According to a study conducted in 2015, the alcoholic extract of the banana peel has antimicrobial activity and mononuclear gingival porphyria cells, which are accompanying fungal tumors, which are microbes found in the oral cavity, and help to gingivitis. Although this and other studies did not focus on the direct application of banana peels to teeth, physiotherapists claim that applying banana peels to teeth benefits teeth and gums. They also suggest doing this daily for a week for teeth whitening. First aid. The antimicrobial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of banana peels lead some supporters of folk medicine to suggest applying crusts to sunburn or insect bites to treat itching. Some people put the frozen banana peel on the forehead and the back of the neck to get rid of the headache. And the banana peel putting on the splinter stuck in the skin for 15 minutes helps to pull it out. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.